Are you a reseller and are you thinking about forming your own LLC for your reselling business? In today's video, I'll talk about whether or not you should set up an LLC for your resale business, regardless of whether you sell on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or any other marketplace. So do you need an LLC to sell on Amazon, eBay, or Etsy? Although you're not required to have an LLC to sell on Amazon, it can help safeguard you and your company. To create an Etsy shop, you do not need to obtain a business license. Nonetheless, if you have any worries, Etsy strongly advises you to consult a small business consultant. You do not need a business license to sell things on websites such as Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. This is due to the fact that the majority of products offered on Amazon are not federally regulated. In general, the majority of products sold online are consumer goods that do not require government clearance. Local and state regulations are a completely different story. To sell on Etsy, you must first investigate local and state legal requirements. Doing your homework before creating an Etsy business can save you from a lot of trouble in the long run. eBay does not require a business license for any of its users, but if you have an eBay store, you will likely need a business license. This is determined by the laws of your local government. A seller's permit is required if you intend to acquire things at wholesale and resell them on eBay. You must pay sales tax on wholesale purchases if you do not have this permit. An LLC is not required to sell on Amazon, but it can help protect you and your business. Amazon operates on a basic premise. They want to make doing business with them as simple as possible for their consumers. As a result, they are unconcerned about the structure of your company. You don't need to be a sole proprietor, a limited liability company, or anything else. You just need to be able to verify that you are who you say you are and that you have the legal right to sell the product in question. If you meet those requirements, Amazon will transfer funds from your Amazon seller's account to the product seller, which could be you personally or a registered business. It doesn't matter what your name is as long as you get permission from the manufacturer or distributor of the product or service you're selling. However, registering as an LLC can provide you with numerous advantages. Do you want to establish an LLC as a reseller? Don't worry, we're here to help. Molai Law can help you establish an LLC. We can deal with complicated legal forms on your behalf. All you have to do is visit our website or click the link in the description box. So guys, we're very much clear that we don't need LLC in online business, but having LLC is not a bad option for your business. LLC can help to protect you and your business, so I'm going to explain a little about LLC. What is an LLC? LLC is an abbreviation for Limited Liability Company. It protects its owners from personal accountability because it has a separate legal personality. Any state can establish this type of organization. It also comes with tax benefits. LLCs can be formed by one person or by a group of persons. Obtaining a business license and officially incorporating a corporation may provide tax or legal advantages, such as limited liability. If you wish to open business accounts to help your company grow, the bank will require a copy of your business license. When applying for a business license from your corporation, make sure to specify that you operate an internet or mail order business. How to register your online business. Once your online business is profitable, there are some actions you must take to register it. You'll need a business structure, DBA name, get a sales tax ID, and a federal tax ID. Choosing a business structure. Without choosing a business structure, you can launch your entire online enterprise. The main goal of doing this is to safeguard yourself in case of something unfortunate occurring. Although the likelihood of things going wrong and you getting sued is low, it is possible. Being safe is always preferable. Many newly established small firms began as sole proprietorships. As a person in the United States, you are a sole proprietor. Any money from a t-shirt business that you launch must be disclosed on your income taxes when they are filed. In the United States, nothing further is required. Owners of online businesses can structure their businesses as an LLC. Once you begin employing staff members to assist you, it makes sense to do that. It's a terrific approach to keeping your living costs and work spending separate. If you are unsure about whether an LLC or sole proprietorship is best for you, speak with an attorney at Molai Law. Create a DBA. If you do business as someone other than yourself, you should also register a DBA. If you're doing a sole proprietorship and sell widgets under the name Widgets for Less, you should file a Doing Business As name. Each state handles this differently. To register, contact your local government department. Get a sales tax ID. If you sell things online, you must collect sales tax from each state in which you do business, depending on your location. For example, if you live in California and sell t-shirts to someone in Texas, you must collect and report sales tax to the state. Obtain a federal tax ID. A federal tax ID, often known as an EIN, is required to open a business bank account. If you are a sole proprietor, you do not need a business bank account, but you can divide your funds into two distinct bank accounts. A sole proprietor who has no workers and who does not file any excise tax returns or pension plan tax returns does not require an EIN, according to the IRS. In this case, the lone proprietor utilizes their Social Security number as their taxpayer identification number rather than an EIN. However, if you choose to organize your company as an LLC, you must submit an EIN application to the IRS. It is totally free. So you might be thinking, do you need a seller's permit to sell on Amazon? No, you don't. It's as simple as signing up and selling when you run an internet business and sell things that are not subject to federal regulations through Amazon. So, the seller policies of Etsy do not require you to obtain a business license in order to sell on their marketplace. However, the investigation does not stop there. A seller on Etsy may require a license or permit from a municipal, county, state, or federal agency that regulates businesses. Your Etsy store is either a pastime or a business. A business license is necessary if you own a business. You don't if you are involved in a hobby. Decide whether your Etsy activity is a business or a pastime, which is the first thing to accomplish. Hopefully, this video has answered all of your questions on how to launch an online business. When first starting off, it's easy to feel overburdened and believe more needs to be done. Never forget that without making money, there is no business. A formal registration shouldn't even be considered until there is income. Get out there and make your first sale your main priority. If you found this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.